Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelist Club. I'm going to take up the Hobby King Tundra. All right, going to have some fun with this plane. Got the easy lights on her because we're kind of losing our light. So the mosquitoes are getting ready to come out. I don't know if it'll be the dark light or the cloud of mosquitoes that are going to block the sun, but it'll be one of them.
Motor off, motor on.
Right, left, up, down. Right, left. I'm running a 3600 Chronix battery in this plane and a 3-cell. I'm also running an AR620 antenna-less receiver in the rear of the plane in the receiver compartment. Imagine that, I put the receiver in the receiver compartment. But them lights really help with orientation, especially when you're having a lower light situation.
Landing flaps.
Let's see if we can't get a landing out of this plane. Remember, more about throttle than anything else when it comes to landing. Whoa, hey, the wind getting underneath that wing here.
Flaps up.
There we go. See if we can't get a knife edge out of it. There, push her right on back over again after being inverted for a second. All right, see if we can't land her this time. Land her on the... Actually, land her on a runway and keep her on a runway. That'd be good. Oh, the bugs are starting to get bad. Oh, man, yeah, that was perfect. That was good, man. That was good.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
A little knife edge there. Yeah, there we go. And people say that they believe this plane is underpowered. I don't think so. I got the stock prop, the carbon fiber prop that comes with it, and I may get that other prop they say, I think it's a 12x6 or something, APC prop they say get with it, but I bought 2 of these carbon fiber, or one that came with it, and I bought an extra one, so until they wear out, I'm not going to put another prop on here, because I'm very pleased with the performance of this plane. See if I can't crab her in there a little bit. I haven't quite learned how to do that, where you tip the aileron side towards the wind and you crab her in sideways.
4 minutes.
I haven't quite learned how to do that. That's one of the skills I want to try to work on. Like, I can do my flat turns like that pretty good, and I'm sure it has to do with that skill, but I'm going to have to leave these. Down here in Central Florida, we got what you call a tiger mosquito. And not only do they suck your blood, they hurt. They hurt so bad when they bite you. I mean, it's like a big old hypodermic needle. And you can feel them when they land on you. They're that big. And then you swat them, hit them with your hand, you know, and all that does is just make them mad. So, yeah, they start getting, those tiger mosquitoes start getting after you. And the only reason we call them tiger mosquitoes is because they got like white specks. They got these white stripes on their legs. Touch and go. They got these like stripes on their legs, white stripes, and look like a tiger. So, anyways, I'm sure that's not the actual name. That's just what I've always heard them called. And you get bit by enough times, you know to Leave them alone. Boy, it's nice out here though, other than the mosquitoes.
Takeoff flaps.
And what we'll do is we'll try takeoff flaps and see if I can, how I can land with, if I'm going to land with takeoff flaps. Kind of a oxymoron in a way.
Flaps up.
All right, we'll try actual landing flaps then. Oh man, they're biting the tar out of me. Ah, these are the things you go through to bring people videos. You lose a little bit of blood, but all right. Well, folks, I gotta go.
Flaps up. Motor off.
Folks, that is the Hobby King. Oh, and something else this plane can do.
On. Braking.
Yeah. Yeah, E-Flight, you're not the only one that's got that.
Brakes off.
I really enjoy this plane. This is a nice, really good looking plane. And the color scheme, you can really see it really well. Of course, I know Hobby King has it in the Union Jack colors, but also happens to be the good old glory colors, and that's the way I like to look at it.
Motor off.
Motor off. We flew for 3 minutes and 15 seconds. I was full throttle quite a bit. Let's see what kind of juice is in the tank. As GB Linden, or how much gas is in the tank, like GB Linden on his site likes to say. All right, I got my smart checker. Put it in your right hand. Oh gosh, I still got 73%, 3.97 all the way down the board. Well, folks, there you go. That is the Hobby King Durafly. Hobby King's the seller, Durafly is the brand, but Durafly is the in-house brand for Hobby King, the company. And that is the Durafly Tundra in their red, white, and blue, and that stuff hanging down below is weeds. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.